so it looks pretty cool on video. Hey, Mehul, how are you doing today?
Good, pretty good, excited.
Well, we're out here at Scott Ive, Utah, walking out to greet our plane there.
Yeah.
So what convinced you to come jump out of a plane?
I just love adventure.
Slow adventure. Well, you picked a good place for it, man. And a good day for it. We got beautiful blue skies.
Right.
Got some white puffy clouds up there.
Beautiful.
Some warm weather. You ready to go jump?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
It's been a long wait. I want to do it.
Awesome. Thanks.